Subscribe to our channel for more information on our software. In this tech tip, we will be creating corrective work orders in Antero 7. Creating a new work order for unscheduled work that needs corrective maintenance is easy to do in Antero. There are several sections of the software that permits users to create work orders. From the application ribbon, selecting the Quick Tools icon will allow for users to quickly perform several actions in the program, from updating an instrument reading to adjusting your parts inventory. The first option is to create a work order. Click on the Create Work Order icon and a Create Work Order window will appear. Selection of an equipment and the task to be performed on the equipment is required. Use the drop-down menu to search and select equipment. Users can search by equipment name or description. Alter between a begins with search or a contains within the body of the text search. Tasks are defined and displayed as either existing template tasks for the selected equipment or as undefined tasks that can be used by any piece of equipment. Sort and filter for the task needed. Create an undefined task if you would like to add instructions once the work order is created. Use the existing schedule date or modify the date. Assign a number of days until the work is flagged as delinquent. Click on Create and the work order is created and displayed in the Work Order Viewer window. From this window, you can modify the task instructions and add additional information such as an assigned user or maintenance group, additional records for labor, parts, supplier, and other associated information necessary for the corrective work order. The Create Work Order option is located throughout the program. Navigate to Calendar and you can click the plus icon to add a work order. This window is also available in Work Management. In Equipment, you can click Create Work Order and the name of the equipment will be pre-populated with the record that you have selected in the grid. For more information on managing your work orders, be sure to view our tech tip on Work Management. Visit our website for more information on our software or reach out to us directly.